Layers of the rainforest. Good morning, young tadpole. Are you ready to enter the rainforest? Come with me as we explore the layers of the rainforest. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, and today I'm going to teach you a song about them. So first I'm going to sing it, and then you can pause the video and sing it by yourself. This is how it goes. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, 4 layers. 4 layers of the rainforest, 4 layers. Emergent layer, canopy layer, understory, forest floor. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, 4 layers. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, and today we are going to learn a song about them. So first I'm going to sing the song. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, 4 layers. 4 layers of the rainforest, 4 layers. Emergent layer, canopy layer, understory layer, forest floor. The top layer of the rainforest is the emergent layer. Anything over 150 feet in height is likely high enough to be at this layer. Trees in the emergent layer can tower 230 feet high. The sunlight and plentiful rain help them grow. In the emergent layer, you can find the kapok tree, the white-tailed hawk, Brazilian nut tree, orchids, scarlet macaw, which is shown in the picture, and the harpy eagle. The next layer of the rainforest is the canopy. It is a dense layer of vegetation where trees seem to merge and overlap. It is about 100 to 150 feet in height, and much of the sunlight is blocked by this layer. As a result, large, thick, overlapping leaves that absorb a lot of the sunlight and shade the plants below. Some plants and animals that live in the canopy area are the black howler monkey, the orangutan, the Draco lizard, fig trees, and the brown-throated three-toed sloth, which is shown in the picture to the left. The next layer of the rainforest is the understory. The understory is a tangle of shrubs and young trees, saplings, palms, and vines. It is hot and damp here, and the air is very still. Some animals that live in the understory area are red-eyed tree frogs, shown in the picture, some palm trees, which is also shown in the picture next to it, orchids, poinsettias, which are both types of plants, snakes like the emerald boa. The last layer of the rainforest is the forest floor. It is dark and damp, home to ferns, fungus, and moss. Many leaves are spread across the floor, rotting in the damp, hot conditions. Some animals and plants that can be found on the forest floor are poison dart frogs, wild pigs, jaguars, lizards, fungi, and insects like mites or ants. Now you try. Guess this layer. This layer is dense with vegetation. There are many trees here, and much of the sunlight reaches this spot and then doesn't go much further. Some animals that live here are the toucan, the lemur, the brown-throated three-toed sloth. Can you guess this layer? This layer is dark and damp. Insects and ferns live here, along with leopards, like shown here. What layer is this? Can you guess what this layer is? It is high, high up in the sky. Almost can be as high as 230 feet. Many birds live up here, along with Brazilian nut trees and canope trees. Can you guess the last layer? This layer is full of young trees and saplings. It is hot and the air is still. Red-eyed tree frogs can be found here, along with palms and poinsettias. What part of the forest am I? Hope everyone had a great day, and go ahead and go online to natgeokids.com and type in Rainforest if you'd like to find more information. Have a great day.